Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. I'm your Excel Guru and today I would be covering a new feature in Excel called data validation and with the list feature of data validation. It's a wonderful feature can help you in reducing your time while entering a data, in reducing errors while entering a data, and furthermore if you want to delegate this work to someone else, to say a subordinate, to a peer, or say just to anyone at all, in that case this becomes very handy. This worksheet is called data validation with the list feature. There would be other features also which I would be covering in my later videos, so keep waiting and watching my other videos too. The difficulty level of this is medium, and let's start working now. Let's take the example of a store, say any big store, say Big Bazaar. All right, so these are the locations of Big Bazaar. Area 1, area 2, you can call them cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Agra, Kanpur. And these are the products name and these are the units sold. All right, so now you want to enter the units sold and the product names over here. So what you can do is you can create a custom list that only a specific products can be entered over here and only their units can be entered over here. All right, so that no errors can be made. This would be a specific list. Say for the electronic department, I've created a value of list products over here, a list of products over here: TV, fridge, CD player, LCD, a desirable product; PlayStations, a wonderful desire. Well, very soon I'm gonna buy one, and that would be a PlayStation 3. So just joking, but I actually do want it. So let's see, when we want to enter product names, so this list should automatically come over here as a drop down list. All right, so we are going to accomplish that by clicking on the data ribbon, data tab. Once we go to data tab, we have to click on data validation. Now on data validation, we need to click data validation again, and you see over here we click on in settings, input message, error alert, I'll discuss later. Now what do you want to allow in this range? Say we want to allow a list. Now we enter a list, choose ignore blank and choose in cell drop down. See, ignore blank, what would happen? Say if for example, if you happen to have made this list and there is a blank in between, so it will ignore that blank. And in cell drop down means it will show you this arrow over here and this kind of list. So you'll be creating your custom drop down arrows. Won't it be wonderful? That you will be become a programmer yourself. You can boost it around. All right, so now doing that, we click on source, that where is this list, where is the source, from where does Excel need to pick this data. So we go to this source. Ensure you create a source beforehand. All right, so you select this source by pressing on shift and selecting the down arrow, press enter, and I made a mistake. See, I chose the list over here. Actually I had to do it over here. We'll do it again. We'll go to data, we'll go to data validation again, any value, no, list. And where is my source? This is my source. I click on enter and you see there it is: TV, fridge, CD, LCD, PlayStation. I choose PlayStation. I can choose a TV, so the things get faster. All right, and furthermore, wonderful thing, see, now if somebody is typing LCD, they might type something next to L, say KCD. They might, what happens, it says a value have you entered is not valid. A user has restricted values that can be entered into the cell. See, isn't it cool? So now we can copy this list. We'll do a control C and then we'll select the area to which, the range to which we want to copy this. We'll press right click of the mouse button, we'll go to paste special. Once we go to paste special, we click on validation and then we press OK, and the list is copied to all these cells. All right, so there's one more thing I need to tell: how to remove this list and how to edit it. So I'll tell you that Once I take you through my own personal commercial, this sheet, I think it's more of an infomercial rather than a commercial. So I'll take you through my infomercial. This sheet that you're seeing right now is available at my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. Yes, that's the URL for free download. Once you can download it, practice along, practice later, or just keep it along for future reference. And I'll take you to my website. Oh, what did open? What did open? So this is my website. Let's type in the URL www.excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. So here it is. Looks cool, refreshing. I recently changed the layout. All right. So all you need to do is go to the training files and click on it. You will see the list of training files available over there. You can download one, and if you click here are my social networking icons. You can click on to tweet, share on Orkut, follow in Facebook. I certainly need more followers on Facebook because I've created a page. They're not allowing me to use it freely until unless I have 25 fans. So I need those fans. Click on this, please. Click on this. All right, now if you click on this thing, it will take you to my YouTube channel where all my videos are stored. See, there it is. You click on subscribe, sign in or sign up, so whenever I upload a new video you will be made aware of it through an email or a message as YouTube chooses. I try to upload one video a day. And here is the comment section. Do provide your comments so I'll come to know what am I doing wrong or is there something right. Just give in a comment. I'll try to improve upon things. All right, now getting back to the work. So as I promised, I'll tell you how to remove a list and how to edit it. So if you want to edit a list, say if you want to add more things, we can add a microwave. All right, we can add a geyser, no, iron. All right. So now what we do, we click upon this where the list is. We can choose the complete area. All right, where the list is available. We go to data validation. Again, data validation, it will already show you the list being used. Once you click over there, this thing gets stretched over here, highlighted. What you can do is you can scroll down and check the complete list, and if you see what would happen, microwave and iron got added. The same is here. All right, now if you want to remove it, there are multiple ways. I'll tell you the simplest way. People tell very difficult things to do. I'll tell you the simplest thing. Go to the home tab, select the complete list area, go to the home tab, go to clear and clear all. Simple as that, simple as that, and the list would vanish away. Okay, so this was it from today. Don't miss to click on my social networking signs. Do spread the word if you like it. And yes, there's this ask a question page. If you have any question on Excel, click on this page. There is a form you need to fill. Just your name, email address, and your comments. I'll try to revert back to you. You can type in your question, your suggestions, or any problem you're facing. I'll try to help you. So that was it from today. This is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning. Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel Guru with our feature today, which would be data validation with whole numbers. Well, we have to remember this is part 2 of our data validation series. In the part 1, I had taught about data validation list feature. Now, we are using the same Excel worksheet we has used over there. However, it has renamed with whole numbers. That's the change over here. Now, this is the same extension. The reason being so that we can relate and understand better. Now, as the name suggests, this data validation can be used to validate data it can help us in creating data which is within our given parameters. You can decide the parameters. You can choose what data should come in, what should not. This would be easy for you because when you may enter data, it will allow you to enter only specific data, thus saving the hassle of making typo errors, or thus even you can the best part is you can give the sheet to someone else and ask them to do it for you. So somebody else would be doing your work for you. You can ask them to do that, and with less errors or possibly no errors. So this is the featured again, data validation with whole numbers. So how do we do it? I'll click over here. Where do I want? So we are using a table wherein the location is, say, for Big Bazaar 1 to 18 are the stores or the areas into which these stores are, say states, Delhi, Agra, Mumbai, and all that. And these are the highest selling products over there: microwave, CD, fridge, CD player, LCD, PlayStation. Okay, and my favorite. And now we need to put in the digit over there, how many was sold. Now here you can specify that the criterion for which uh, the unit sold has to be there. All right, so what we do is we click on we click on data on this Excel ribbon, and we click on data validation again, and over here allow, we choose whole number. Once you choose whole number, it gives you a lot of options over here. Data between minimum and maximum. So this means that you can choose data between a specific digits, say between 5,000 to 10,000. Now this will become very difficult to remember. I'll say minimum should be 5 and the maximum should be 10. Anything but outside these parameters would not be entered. Okay, so we'll check. See, if I enter 5, would it take? Yes, it has taken it. Or if I enter 6, has it taken it? It has taken it. If I enter 7, yes. If I enter 8, yes. I enter 9, yes. I enter 11. Sorry. Now, this shows that Excel is your servant. You can make it do what you want. It's giving you specific errors on your demand. What else could you want? So let's try a lower value, okay? Say 1. What do you say? No. Any value till 4 would be a no. Any value above 5 would be a yes. Any value up till 10 would be a yes. Anything above 11 would be a no. Reason being because you specified that. We click on cancel. How did we do it? We went to data validation again, and we gave this condition. Now this was the between condition. There are so many conditions here. Not between, equal to, not equal to. I'll explain everything. So when we choose not between is key, anything between 5 and 10, anything which is not between 5 and 10 would be taken. This would be the reverse of just what we did. That means, let me give you an example. We would be able to add anything below 5 and above 10, but anything between 5 and 10 would not be allowed. See, if I enter 9, oh sorry, 7, no. If I enter 8, no. This is the fun of Excel. This is, see what all it can do. And again, I'll go back. I'll tell you the other parameter, which is equal to, very clear cut. You enter a specific number over here, and that is the only number which would be accepted by Excel for that selected range. So you will define the holy grail for this thing. Say if I define 12. So if I enter anything other than that, it will say no, the data you have entered is not valid. So if I enter 12, yes, it accepts it. Anything above 12, 13, no. See? Now another one we'll try it fast. Equal to, not equal to. You enter a value, say 12, again say, and now it will accept anything but only 12. Anything but 12. I'll enter 12 and it will say no, you are not allowed to enter 12 because my boss, the man who made this Excel, doesn't like the word like the digit 12. Is that the case? I don't know. Just joking. This is a handy feature, can be used in multiple places. Now comes greater than. I'm sure most of the people would be clear. Anything greater than this specified number, say minimum, I say anything greater than 550 would be taken only then. Below that would not be accepted. So if I entered 32, it says no. If I entered 51, it takes it. So anything below 50 is not accepted because you chose that. So Excel gives you a lot of freedom to do what you want. You should know what to do. Now, in case you have a problem in what to do and how to do it, go to my website excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. There's a page called Ask a Question. Enter your question over there, comment over there. I'll and submit it. I'll review it and try to revert back as soon as possible to help you out. All right. So we checked greater than. The same is with less than. Say if I choose the figure again 50. So if I choose enter 51, yes, it will take, because it will take anything below 50. Anything above 50 would be rejected by Excel. Let's try. I try 49. It's taking it. All right. So I try 51, and voila, the Excel becomes intelligent, says no, I would not take it. This was less than, and now comes the other one, greater than or equal to. Okay, okay, this is something fun. Greater than or equal to says ki it will include the digit or the value you have mentioned over here, 50 or above. In the earlier ones, we are talking greater. It was only anything above 50. It was not taking 50 into account. So this one, greater than or equal to, will take the value what you've entered over here into account also. Same is with less than. All right. So this was what it is. Now, simple two things we need to cover: how to copy it, how to delete it. All right. So, and how to edit it. So I'll teach all those things. Before that, I like to take you through my commercial. It's more of an infomercial. The sheet you're looking at over here is available at my website, which is www.excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. You can go to this website. It's a very beautiful website. I say that because I have designed it, and you can check out the site. And this file is available on this page, training files. Go over here, and these are the files. You just click on download file and you will be able to download it for free. And yes, there are my social networking sites, IES plugins. Tweet it, share it, follow it, and like it on Facebook plugin I have placed over here itself. Like it, and if you click on this logo, this Excel image, it will take you to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is my YouTube channel. If you subscribe over here, it will tell you, it will ask you to sign in or sign up, and then you will be notified every time a new video is added by me, which I am sure I'll be doing every day. I plan to take the library to 1500 videos. Yes, I know that much. All right, and with that, what you can do is you can comment. You can add a comment so that I'll come to know whether you like it, you don't like it, you want something more, you want something less, whatever you want. Let me know. You can like it over here. All right. So this was it. Today's session for data validation with whole numbers. I hope you liked it. This is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful time ahead. Happy Excel learning. Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel Guru. Today I would be taking you through the data validation feature of Excel with time parameter. This would be part 4 of this series. I have already covered data validation with list, data validation with whole numbers, data validation with date, and today's topic is data validation with time. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing. Just to sum it up, what data validation is for the people who may not have seen the other videos and may be watching this one for the first time. Well, data validation in Excel allows you to input data into specific cells or a specific range based on the criterion given by you. You choose, you get to choose what data has to be entered over there. All right. So I'll proceed now. We'll be taking the same example, same sheet which we have been following in the other videos also for data validation. It would be, say, the first one is column is location, product name, unit sold, time of sale. Location can be, say, a big bazaar store in these many areas. These are the products which are sold. These are the units of those products sold. See, we are looking at a specific category of products, which is electronic products. Now, time of sale. Say we want to come to an average time of sale, or we want to just find out at which time most of our customers enter and all. Such kind of stuff you want to do with time. So you may want to restrict what time values can be entered over there, over here. People coming into this time only their entries should be valid. All right. So we'll see how to manipulate Excel to accept time durations or timestamps of our choice. We'll do that by data validation, and to do that we'll have to go to data validation again, and we choose time. Once we choose time, it will automatically give you options like between, not between, equal to. I'll discuss each of them. We'll start with between. As the name suggests, it would be between two times, so that one would be start time. Say we can give start time as 11 and the end time as 11:15. So I would like to have the data entered between a time range of 11 till 11:15. So I'll click on OK and we'll test it. To test it, we'll enter 10:59. See, it says data cannot be entered. See, you became the master of Excel. And now I go to, now say we go to 11:01. It allows you. The best part is if you delete it, the value deletes, not the formatting. Now I had given an upper range of 11:15, so let's try 11:16, and it says no again. It will accept any value between 11 till 11:15. All right. So this was the between feature. Now let's move to the another one. Not between, as the name suggests, it will take any value other than the values between 11 to 11:15. All right. And equal to would only accept 11 a.m. or whatever time you mention over here. Other than that, no value would be accepted. Let's try it. It's a very simple thing. I'll try 11:01. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Well, it will add personalization to the video. I hope none of the training videos would have a sneezing sound built into it. I'm so sorry for this, but still, okay, let's continue. So we were doing timestamp is equal to, and now let's move to something else. Not equal to, as the name suggests, anything other than 11. It would be more like that Hindi movies stuff ki इसके अलावा तो किसी से भी शादी कर दे मैं हाँ कर दूंगा इसको छोड़ के. So 11 बजे के अलावा any other value would not be taken in. And then comes the other one, greater than. Anything greater than the time you have entered would be allowed, nothing other than that. Less than, again same thing, anything less than this thing, less than 11 would be taken in. Greater than and equal to is a wonderful thing. Now greater than or equal to would take 11, also the time you have mentioned over here as an inclusive value. It will include that in the calculations. That is equal to this time or greater than this time. The opposite would be less than or equal to with the timestamp. So this was it. And one more thing, two more things. I have taught you how to do this. And now what we can do is we can copy it. If we had done a formatting over here, what kind of formatting have we done? I'm not sure. What formatting did we do? So there is a formatting over here. All right. So we can copy this formatting, Control C, and we can scroll down and select this area to where we want to copy it. And then we need press the right click of the mouse button, go to paste special, click on validation, do OK, and the validation gets copied. See? Okay, so this is the validation that we have copied. How to erase a validation? Well, that I'll tell after a brief infomercial. The video file that you're seeing is available on my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel. You can go to all my videos, click over here, and you'll be able to see all my videos. And you can subscribe to my videos by signing in or signing up. So whenever I upload a new video, you'll come to know I have uploaded as of now 13 videos. I'm planning to take it to around 1500 videos. And yes, you can like this video and you can give your comments if you like it or not like it, whether there would be some clarifications you'll want or not. And other than this video, I have my own web page wherein this training file is available for free download, so that you can work along, practice along, follow along, or just keep it for your reference. What you need to do is you need to go to training files and click on and download the appropriate file. These are my social networking sites links. Do share, do tweet, do follow, do like on Facebook, Twitter, or Twitter. And yes, I need more fans. I have 25 fans as of now. Do click over on the like button, please. And do give your feedback if you like the stuff. This is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning. Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. I'm your Excel Guru and today I'm gonna tell you how to do data validation with date. Well, what is data validation? In this series I have told how we can program Excel to accept data based on conditions or prerequisites given by us, defined by us. So today we are going to discuss conditions or prerequisites based on date which we can give. See, I have taken an example over here. Here's the location. Here is the location of these this data. I have a set of products over here, say microwave, CD players, fridge, LCDs, PlayStation or something, and iron, and all these things are mentioned over here. These are the areas where they were sold, and these were the units sold in the specific areas. And now say we need to enter the dates, some specific dates over here, so we can control what date goes into this cell, or dates between what range goes into this. So this can be done very easily, and it's very beneficial when you're working on large numbers of data, so that there is no mistake, you cannot afford to have an error. Then the best thing is to do data validation. You go to this Excel ribbon and go to data and click on data validation, and then data validation, and here comes our data tab. But before that, we have to ensure that we keep our mouse, or we highlight the cell in which we want to put the data validation. I would be putting in multiple data validation, so I'm choosing only one cell, but we can also choose the complete cells also, complete range. So we am selecting this cell F8. F is the column and 8 is the row. So this is F8. Data validation. And it says setting, allow any value. No, we only want to allow a date. So the first option that it is asking us is between. So you can give a start date and an end date. You can type in the date over here, or as mentioned over here, if you see, you can specify a range. If you have mentioned a date over here, you can specify that also. So rather than that, I will be typing in a date. Say we can type between 12th, December the 1st, 2011 till today, which is December the 14th, 2011. Well, we click on OK. Okay, it's saying the date I've entered is not valid because it is working on, I'm sure what it is working on. It is working on DDMMYY format. So the date comes first, the months come later, and the year comes later than that. So I'm changing this. Okay, so now we have put data validation over here, and I have put in the range 1 till 14. So let me test it whether it is working or not. So I'll put in 15, 12, 11, which is tomorrow. The value you entered is not valid. A user has restricted values which can be entered into the cell. That means Excel is prompting us to enter the right value. So you can either cancel it or retry. The cell will go blank, and then you can type, say, 14/12/11, and there comes the date. Isn't it cool? Okay, we'll try another method now. Data validation. We are going to the next cell. We are in F9. Date. Now, this is not between, exactly the opposite of between. That means you would be able to input any date other than the range mentioned over here. Say, for example, we'll take again this range. Okay, that it should not enter dates between the 15th of December till the 17th of December. Alright, so I try entering 15th December. It says to retry. I can cancel it. It will go blank. So if I try entering 16th, again an error. Now if I try entering 18, it accepts it. That means it is not accepting the dates between 15 till 17. Alright, another method. Now coming to data validation, part 3. Before that, let me tell you this input message. You know what? We are getting this error message whenever we say you can actually type your own error method. Say the title would be Excel Made Easy says look and type. And that's just for fun. Okay, so here's my error method, and here comes. Actually this was wrong. This was an input message where whenever we click on this cell, it will tell you that what value can be typed in over here, what is the condition set in. So like I can set in a condition, okay, 15 till 18 is the date which cannot be entered. So that is what you can type in over here. And this is the error alert. So the style would be like this. This is a stop sign, this is a warning sign, this is information, this is the title, again Excel. Now I'll type Guru says. What do we need to type? Some funny thing, some funny error message. See what you have done? So this would be it. Now I'll go to data validation and I will type in the value. I'll go to date, select date, and this time we are doing equal to, which means a date, only a specific date can be entered over here, like say only for today. So which is 14/12/11. So other than this, no other date can be typed. I've typed in today's date, so that's the only date that can be typed in. I try typing in say 12/12/11, which is day before yesterday. And here it comes. Guru says, see what you have done. So if I click on OK, it will go blank. So I can type, if I type in today's date, which will be OK, I believe. It has taken that in. See? Okay. Now next example would be, we would be covering, so how many examples? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 3 we have done. Now we are coming to the fourth one. So the fourth one is not equal to, and again, which is the exact opposite of equal to, so that any date other than the given date would be entered. The user would be able to enter any date other than the given date. Say again, anything other than today would be okay by me. Let's put an error input message. Guideline. Okay. Can enter any date other than 14/12/11. Again, Guru says, read the message. You this would be fun. Okay, can enter any date other than 14/12/11. See, okay, I'll enter the same date, 14/12/11. Read the message. You okay? I'll retry it. So this is 12/12/11. I find Excel so fun. It is actually fun. I love this. I teach not only Excel. I teach. I have tutorials on so many other things. I try to make things fun for everybody. Okay. Let's get back to work. Data validation. Again, settings and date. Sorry, we clicked on time. Date. Now, greater than, again, as it easily says, anything greater than this, a specific date would be allowed to be entered in the cell or in the range. Say we'll take anything greater than today. And you know what? The formula for today is actually now is equal to NOW bracket open, bracket close, and hit enter, and you will be able to get the today's date and time anytime you open your Excel file. Try it. Nice one. I also have a video on that. There is also a formula called today is equal to today bracket open, bracket close. Okay, that's my BlackBerry ringing, telling me there is some email that I have received. Okay. Let me put it on silent mode. Let it not disturb us. Okay, so greater than today would be what we would be able to enter. So let's enter yesterday. Oh, why only yesterday? Anything else? Let's enter my birthday. The value you entered is not valid. So cancel. Type in tomorrow's date. 15/12/11. Oh, it's allowing us. See? Back to the next example. I'm sure that would be less than. See, less than. Again, you can give a date, a cutoff date, and only dates below that date would be the one that would be allowed to be entered. So let's do that. Again, we are taking the example of today itself. So we try entering tomorrow's date, 14/12/11. Error. Cancel. I type in today's date. Let us see. Again error because they're asking less than today. 13/12/11. Yep, that's taken it. This is a very good feature. Very good feature. Between now comes greater than or equal to. Again, very much equal to, very much like greater than. It just would include today also. It would be an inclusive way wherein it would include the date, the condition mentioned, like greater than or equal to today. So 14/12/11. So if I enter today also, it will accept it. 14/12/11. In this case, when I typed in today, it did not take because today's date. It did not take because it was exclusively less than today. So here it includes that. And same way it goes. It can be done for date and less than or equal to. Now I'll tell you how to actually clear a conditional formatting. Alright, we select this. We have conditional formatting over here. There are a few ways of removing it. We first click on data validation. Sorry, I'll tell you how to remove data validation. So we select this, alright, and we click on clear all. So the data formatting has been removed. Now you see there is no data formatting. I can type in any day, say 12/12/11. It will take any date. It will take, getting it? See, any date can be taken now. That's one way of removing it. And there is another way. You click on the home tab, you click on clear, and you click on clear all. Everything would be gone, including your data. There is one more way, a better way. Okay, that was it. Clear all would clear everything. And you're clicking on data validation, clear data validation circle. Sorry, that is the third way. So now the data validation would be removed like this way also. So I hope this was a helpful video to you. And the file that you're looking at, this Excel file, is available for free download on my website. Where you can download it for free and practice along. Till then, this is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.